Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to spot for honest and insightful tech reviews. Today we're checking out the JSAUX 4K DisplayPort to HDMI cable adapter, a solid solution for anyone needing a reliable DP to HDMI connection. Let's dive into the details. First off, this cable supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, offering crisp visuals perfect for casual streaming, work presentations, or basic gaming. It's also backward compatible with 2560 by 1600 at 60 Hz and 1080p at a smooth 120 Hz, giving you some flexibility depending on your display and system setup. Just keep in mind, this is a one-way cable, so it only works from DisplayPort to HDMI, not the other way around. In terms of construction, JSAUX has done a great job. The cable features tinned copper wires, triple-layer shielding, and an aluminum shell, all working together to reduce interference and maintain a stable signal. The nylon braided jacket and gold-plated connectors also add to the durability, perfect for daily use or travel. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops like HP ProBook and Lenovo ThinkPad, as well as desktops and graphics cards from AMD and NVIDIA. But here's an important note, it doesn't support HDMI to DP, so it won't work with devices like MacBooks, gaming consoles, or KVM switches that only have HDMI output. On the audio front, it handles 7.1, 5.1, or 2-channel sound seamlessly. Whether you're using it in extended mode or mirror mode, the audio and video sync is on point, which is great for watching movies or setting up a second monitor. And lastly, the 10-foot length is perfect for home setups. Whether you're on the couch, in bed, or working from a hotel room, the extra length gives you more flexibility without sacrificing quality. So if you're looking for a dependable, well-built DisplayPort to HDMI cable that delivers solid video and audio performance, the JSAUX 4K adapter is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's a one-way street. Thanks for tuning into Alltech. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews coming your way. Catch you in the next one.